Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use save audio in your Instagram post. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Click on this reel section. Click on the music and save this audio. Once you save, you simply need to go back. Click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Click on three bars on the top right. Click on this save section and here is the audio. So click on that. Click on use audio and you can shoot a reel, and if you want you can select any picture from your gallery. So I'm going to select this picture for example. Click on next and you can share that on to your Instagram. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.